Today we're going to be making a wave animation in Motion. So we're going to start off with a new canvas. I like to do 4K 60 frames a second, and this animation is going to be 10 seconds long. Next we're going to go down to the rectangle tool, and we're actually going to click on circle. I like to see my whole canvas, so I'm going to zoom out slightly here and hold shift, click, and drag to make a perfect circle. Next I'm going to go over to the inspector and go to the shape tool, and then I'm going to change my color. Next, I'm going to go over to properties. I'm going to hit the down caret key on the position and hit reset parameters. This centers the circle in the middle of the canvas. I'm going to go up to the top right hand corner and hit replicate. So I'm going to go over to the replicator tool on the left hand side, and where it says rectangle, I'm going to click and go down to wave. Here it's going to bring up 4 circles in the wave formation. So we're going to change the start point to -1200 and the end point to 1200. This is going to make a nice long wave to fill up most of the canvas. The amplitude is how big the wave is going to be, so the higher the number, the steeper the waves are. The frequency is how often there is a wave, so the higher the number, the more waves are going to be in this format. Next, we're going to go down to points, and we're going to take this point number all the way up until you can't tell there's any circles anymore, until it makes a nice solid line. Scale is going to be able to set how thick or thin your line is of the wave. Next, we're going to go to phase, click the down caret key, go over to add parameter behavior, and then down to rate. On this new screen, we're going to type 360 degrees for the rate, and that's it. When you play the animation back, you can tell it plays just like a wave does. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.